If three patients present with different type of endodontic diseases, will the sensitivity and specificity of your diagnostic test remain consistent? The Bergenholz group at the University of Malmö explored this question in a 2015 study published in the International Endodontic Journal. They aimed to show how the spectrum of diseased bulb affect the sensitivity and specificity of diagnostic tests. The author argued that diagnostic accuracy estimates, such as sensitivity and specificity, are often assumed to be independent of the patient population being studied. This article discusses a modeling study, which uses mathematical and statistical model to simulate real-world scenarios and they predict outcome based on specific assumption. Instead of new experiments, researcher analyzes existing data to explore how different factors affect results. For the sample size, it consists of 125 teeth. 59 teeth scheduled for root canal treatment had been adopted of the 1999 Peterson studies. Then they expanded it by adding 16 intact teeth, which make the total 75. Then they added hypothetical sample, where the composition of the included teeth was changed to increase the proportion of less clear-cut cases. They added 50 asymptomatic teeth with deep caries lesion, which increased the total to 125. And this addition was based on Taub and Towndler 1990. For the result, EPT sensitivity was 72% and the specificity was 90% for the original sample. When you expand the sample by adding the 16 intact teeth, EPT sensitivity remains 72% as the number of necrotic bulbs did not change, but the specificity increases to 94% due to an inclusion of more healthy bulb. But when you add the hypothetical sample and increase it up to 120 teeth and include the asymptomatic teeth with deep caries, the sensitivity of the EPT decreases to 67% and the specificity increases to 97%. The result can be explained as follows. The decrease in sensitivity in the hypothetical sample suggests that include more asymptomatic teeth with deep caries lesion made it harder to correctly identify necrotic bulbs, and the increase in specificity suggests that adding more healthy teeth made it easier to correctly identify a necrotic bulb. The findings indicate that the diagnostic accuracy depends on the composition of the sample, meaning that the result from one study might not directly apply to another population with a different disease spectrum. To conclude, the variety of diseased dental bulbs and a diagnostic study affects sensitivity and specificity estimates. Findings indicate that the diagnostic accuracy from one study might not be applied to a different clinical populations. And thank you.